Hello viewers, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. My dear students, I am proud of you because there are many vocational students are very good, they are excellent. Okay, actually there are many bad situations in whole world. Delta variant virus spread all over the world. It is very dangerous virus for human being. So you should abide by the rules of world health, rules of schools, rules of your father and mother. Those who students listen to his or her father or teacher, they will shine in life. They will pass the exam very easily. Okay? Today I am going to start a new grammar session for vocational students class 10. I think that you will show the class very carefully. Look at the whiteboard and follow the class. Today I am discuss about English grammar part exclamatory to assertive. Exclamatory means its symptom or identified words. Hooray! Ah! Alas! Etc. There are many words here. At first, any student identify this sentence is which kinds of sentence is it. Next, you change your sentence according to direction. Okay? What are fine birds? It is. What a fine bird it is. Ki sundar. What a fine bird it is. At first, subject and verb. Verb is. And what or and very or great. Adjective fine. Noun or extension. Adjective noun. Adjective fine. Noun bird. Here we change it assertive. This sentence is exclamatory. Okay. Okay, fine. This symptom we recognize it exclamatory. Okay. We change negative. We change assertive. At first, subject is. Verb is. It is. Next, it is a what? It is a very or great. You put. It is a very. It is a very. V-R-Y. Very fine. Adjective fine. F-I. Any adjective fine. Noun bird. It is a very fine bird. Okay. Okay, fine. You If you understand any topics, you will question me or comment box. I shall reply you, or next class I shall reply you. It is a very fine word. Okay. Subject according to structure, verb. A or N according to what we set up, we set it. Very fine adjective, but noun. Okay, it is a very fine word. How fine the girl is, how beautiful the girl is. Okay, very fine, excellent sentence. This sentence is very excellent. How beautiful the girl is. This sentence is a exclamatory sentence. We identified this sentence only because it has punctuation mark. Only for exclamatory we identify punctuation mark, full stop, comma, semicolon, colon, exclamatory sentence, exclamatory interrogative. Okay, there are bracket, there are 12 or more exclamatory or more punctuation mark. This mark is a exclamatory. Okay, now we change it SRT. A-double-S, SRT. At first subject the girl, okay. Verb is an, very, the girl is very. How? Very, V-E-R-Y, very beautiful, B-E-R-U-T-I-A-P-U-L. The girl is very beautiful. Adjective beautiful. How? Alternative word very. Okay. What a fine word it is. There are two kinds of changes. What started now. What start sentence now. How? There are simple difference in here. What a, we put it a. How? Only for very, not a. Only for very. Okay. Next rule. Identify for me. Purra, we have on the mess. H-U-R-R-H. H-U-R-R-H. Purra, we have on the mess. We have on the mess. S-I-D. Hurrah. It is the joyful word. We substitute word. It is a matter of joy. It is a M-A-T-T-E-R, matter of joy. J-O-Y. It is a matter of joy that we have we have won OW and won the match. MATCH. It is a matter of joy that we have won the match. When this sentence is joyful, we use substitute word. It is a matter of joy. When it is very sorrowful, if we use it, it is a matter of sorrow. It is a matter of sorrow. Next example, it is a matter of sorrow. Alas, I am undone. Alas, I am UNDUNE. Undone. It has to be EX. Alas, I am undone. We change assertive. Alas, dukho. Alas, I am undone. It is a matter of sorrow. It is a MATTER, matter of sorrow. SORROW, sorrow that I am undone. I am UNDONE. It is a matter of sorrow that I am undone. Okay, my dear students, and viewers and guardians, I shall tell you about only for study your son. You always observation for them, because any students various purpose, they always different types of place, gossiping or many students mixed with bad boy and habit or different types of drinking is very bad habit for students. So any guardian always observation her or his son, daughter. Okay, my dear students, follow the class very carefully, and if you understand any topics, you shall question me, I shall reply you. Okay, there are two sentences we use. Hurrah, it is grateful matter of joy. Alas, sorrowful or sorrow, it is matter of sorrow that I have undone. Okay, next, what a beautiful. Okay, next, would that I could be a child again. Would that I could be a child again. would that I could could be a child again. Would that I 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 wish I could be. I wish I could could be a child again. Child A-Z-A-I-N. There are other would that substitute wish. I wish I could be a child again. I wish I could be a child again. Okay. My dear students, this is very important class for vocational students. Those students are appear at the SSC exam next year 2022. It is very near at hand. Next month, before November 24, we will start annual examination or final examination. We will held all Bangladesh. So you will very serious for your study at home regularly and always wear masks because coronavirus now stay all the world. It is very dangerous virus. Okay, my dear students, next homework. Okay, what a beautiful scenery. What a beautiful 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 scenery. What a beautiful scenery. What a beautiful scenery. S-R-D. A-double-S. Number two, what if it is? What a P-T. Number three, what of city? Number three, where I a king? Where I a king? Where I a king? Okay. 3 sentence your homework. You will do the homework in your at home. Next time I shall show you. My dear students, I reply again, if you understand this any prophecies, you will comment me. I shall help you accurate answer. Okay. Thank you very much all of the students. Good noon.